When we don't feel well, when we have questions about our health, or when we need trustworthy advice, often the first person we turn to is the pharmacist. They listen, they explain with patience, and they reassure patients so they feel safe. The pharmacist is a cornerstone of healthcare. Beyond deep knowledge of medicines, they optimize treatments and directly contribute to improving public health. Pharmaceutical science represents the perfect blend of science, technology, research, and humanism. From developing new drugs to ensuring quality control, from patient counselling to pharmaceutical industry innovation, the pharmacist of the future has countless opportunities to build a meaningful career. At Western Balkans University, students learn in modern laboratories, develop practical skills, engage in scientific research, and are guided by a highly qualified academic staff. Through professional practice in healthcare institutions, hospitals, and pharmaceutical companies, students connect with the reality of the profession during their studies. Opportunities such as Erasmus+, merit-based scholarships up to 100%, national and international partnerships, and strong academic support make this programme a secure choice for the future. At Western Balkans University, pharmacy is not just learned from books. It's experienced in the lab, developed through practice, strengthened by research, and given meaning through patient care. With a pharmacy degree, you can build a career in community pharmacies, hospitals, laboratories, the pharmaceutical industry, research institutions, and both public and private sectors, at home and abroad. Choose a profession with impact. Choose a programme in English with international standards. Choose a future with more opportunities. Whether you're a high school graduate seeking a career with perspective, or a parent looking for a secure path for your child's future, the integrated 5-year pharmacy programme, fully in English, is a strong gateway to a modern and international career. WBU, University of Endless Opportunities.